it going, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of I Have No Idea What's Going On With My Life. I'm your host, Damdaved, and today we got work to do. Roll that intro.
They call me yellow cause the paint is banana, the clip is banana, I'm going bananas. Look, boy, you a bitch. Get your funds together. Look at them. Didn't fuck with us when we was down. Now we coming up together. You can stay in the back cause all up on track, we running it up together. You said we would flop, now the gang at the top, and we don't give a fuck together.
So, you know what today is? It's a Saturday, and judging from the title of the video, you know it's the Traction meet, which means this shit is about to be so ridiculous that I'm actually scared to go here, and it's gonna be some crazy shit. Let's get into it. It's gonna be a wonderful day.
Today is a wonderful day to roll in the coupe, no top, it's house on the top of the car got dropped. Wow.
Look what I seen in traffic. Goofy ass boy, Big B TV, what's up? Quick story time. If you guys are not new here, you know I normally go into the gas station before I do some B-roll on my car to begin the video with, and I normally go bang motherfucker when I do my vlogs with a can of bang. But hey, this shit is crazy. I've been stuck in traffic, okay, for like an hour. Literally, I had half a tank of gas and now I was about to run out. I had to go on the wrong side of traffic to get here at this little shitty gas station I'm at. It's raining like a motherfucker. I don't know how this meet's gonna go, but you know, I'm trying to get supercharged because it's gonna be a long night. No matter what. So we just popped up right now. Hey man, go to shoptraction.com and get you some badass merch, man. We just came out with some new designs. This shit looks amazing. We got even more coming to the website. We're about to do a yellow camo. I know, you know, everybody's gonna be excited for that shit. I know I am. But yeah, man, we're setting up right now. We're about to pitch a tent, and this empty ass parking lot is about to be filled full of crazy shit. Let's get it.
Sleeping on us.
Y'all gay.
BTV, man, Traction gang, you know what I'm saying?
You got that damn Traction shirt on.
Traction all over the Houston map, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, good thing we parked by the cinema. You know why? Because this empty parking lot about to be a movie.
Yeah.
You're gonna be the star, baby.
Hell yeah.
Mississippi, keeping it tighter than my motherfucking t-shirt.
So make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. We are Traction. Make sure y'all come get your t-shirt.
There is no reason for this many police over here, bro. They sent the whole damn department to shut down this little ass meet. Hey, let me see that shirt. I like that shirt. Thank you, sir. I know she be fucking my brother. Yeah, I ain't going out on no sucker. Yeah, let's go smoking on gush. Yeah. New location, pulling up. Yeah.
I've never swung this wide. In the limb slabs in a single file zone. Pockets full of money.
They're shutting us down again, so we're going to another location. They got somebody. Oh my God, man.
Swerving down the block in the 426, Yo, girlie heard it purring and she blew me a kiss. She saw my foot sticking out the window, it was these fresh white kicks. Yeah, checks on the Air Force, checks on the wrist, that's hot boy shit. Bitch, talk my shit, but this real shit. They see these racks, they throw a fit. Don't care about hoes, won't make me rich. When I was in school,
baby. With your shit, man. Hey, man, I appreciate y'all. Oh, man, don't tell me y'all watch my channel, bro. I'm sorry. Don't tell me y'all watch that bullshit. Didn't your mom tell you that this was illegal?
Live, man. Shout out Big Traction Gang, man. We out here in the jungle, man. Zookeeper trying to put us in that cage, but we still banging on our chest. Yes, sir!
For real now.
Fuck the police!
Third time.
Y'all let us make it tonight, man.
We are filming for our YouTube right now, so if y'all have not subscribed, make sure y'all go like Traction. Y'all will be on this. So we got Powered by SRT, we got that boy Slim, we got Bass Scout, we got Heartbreak Kilo, we got Damdaved, and I'm your boy Country Boy Earl. And if we getting out of here, let's just go to Dave & Buster's and have some fun and turn up, you feel me? David paying for it. Hey, look, man, we all out here. We all just want to have fun. At the same time, we all united, no matter where you're from, no matter what background you got. We out here thugging with our cars and shit because we spend a lot of money on them.
It's real.
Damn, all this thing about to say is fuck 12. Fuck 12. Man, make sure y'all network while we out here, you know. Don't matter. We don't discriminate. Let's get it. Let's have fun.
Look at that on camera.
I'm cutting that out. What's up, Brandon? Night, boss. We didn't see that shit. I don't know what happened. That's crazy. He just ran over that bottle that was in the parking lot already before he came over here.
Empty bottle. Where we going next?
I think everybody's rolling to Dave & Buster's because the cops are blocking off exits and they're being hosed. So I think we got to dip out of here.
Yo, we good, man.
Hey,
Shout out, man. Traction, man. Y'all looking good out here, man.
You know what it is. Turn that shit up. Turn that shit up.
My life. And while you was thinking twice, I already rode a dice. We in bed running in and out all night.
Currently, the lot is getting cleared out. As you can see, there's a lot less people here. We're about to dip out of here ourselves. I don't know where we're about to go from here, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'll see you all in a second. Sheesh. What's up, y'all? Well, guys, tonight was such a crazy night. I got like a long drive back from Houston, about like 30 minutes or so, but I'm gonna get home. I'm gonna edit this video up for you guys. And if you're watching this today, it went live. It's currently a Monday for you. So, you know, I drop bangers over here every other day. So if you liked what you saw over here, man, be sure to join the family. We're like 6,000 plus strong. I think we're like 6,100 probably by now. And man, just join that number. Go ahead and hit that damn subscribe button. I appreciate you guys so much as always. Oh my God, man, it's a grind, but hey, man, if you like the hustle, man, if you like what I'm doing over here and you like the channel, man, be sure to hit that like button. I can't tell you guys how much I love and appreciate you guys. It wouldn't even do it. So, but until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
You think you know Damdaved, y'all don't know a damn thing, y'all don't know me. I've been in the game, bitch, I'm an OG. Some of y'all hoes forget about me, but don't worry, I'll still be around when your bitch needs some fucking company. Swerving down the block in the 426, Yo, girlie heard it purring and she blew me a kiss. She saw my foot sticking out the window, it was these fresh white kicks. Yeah.